In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your orders on Coinbase Advanced Trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, managing your orders effectively is crucial to optimizing your trading experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Coinbase and navigate to the Advanced Trading area. This section of Coinbase is designed for users who want more control and more features beyond what the standard trading interface offers. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Once you're there, look for the Orders or My Orders tab. This is where all your trading activity is organized, so you can keep track of everything at a glance. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Orders page. Here you'll be able to view different statuses of your orders: open, filled, or cancelled. It's an excellent way to get a quick overview of where all your trades stand. Open orders are those you've set up but haven't been executed yet. Filled orders are those that have been successfully completed, and cancelled orders are, of course, the ones you've decided not to proceed with. To get more information about any specific order, simply click on it. This will show you the full details of that order, including the exact parameters you set, the price, the amount, and so on. Having this detailed view can help you make more informed decisions about your future trades, as you can see exactly how each order played out and learn from that information. If you find that you need to cancel an open order, perhaps because the market conditions have changed, or because you've adjusted your trading strategy, you can do so easily. Navigate to the open orders section, find the order you want to cancel, and follow the on-screen instructions to remove it. Cancelling an order is not permanent until you confirm it, giving you a moment to ensure that this is indeed the action you wish to take. Once confirmed, the order will be moved to the cancelled section, ensuring that your available funds are updated appropriately. Remember, managing your orders isn't just about watching what's happening in real time. It's about taking control of your trading strategy and adjusting as the market moves. Practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more adept you'll become at making quick and effective trading decisions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing your orders on Coinbase Advanced Trading. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.